Are you struggling to make a lasting first impression on potential buyers? Picture this. You walk into a property, and it's pristine, everything sparkles, and you can almost hear the wow from the interested buyers. That's the TidyTex effect. Our veteran-owned cleaning service in San Antonio specializes in making homes shine just before those crucial open houses or buyer visits. We understand the pressure realtors face to showcase properties at their best, and that's where we step in. With quick turnarounds and professional attention to detail, we help elevate your listing and ensure it stands out from the competition. Imagine closing deals faster because your property is cleaner, brighter, and more inviting. Here's a tidy tip for realtors. Open all the blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. A well-lit space makes any home feel more welcoming, highlighting its best features. Ready to transform your listings? Check the video description for more details and contact us today at 210-951-8206 or admin@tidytex.us. Experience the difference with TidyTex and watch your properties shine.